criticism, and I've enjoyed working with Tim at the Pacific Bulletin, Leonard Publishing, as well as my lovely grade 5 6 class here at Petite Riviere Elementary School, and we accomplished this beautiful newspaper together.
Hi, my name's Quentin, and I did my newspaper thingy on saving the Atlantic whitefish. When you do this, it's very fun, and you get to pick some of your most favorite topics.
Hi, I'm Isaac, and this is really fun because I did mine on saving the deer. It's one of my favorite animals.
Hi, my name's Josh. Me and Twice did Why Not Art for our project, and I like to say, don't be fooling around stuff when you're doing your, what's it called again? Article. My name's Twazem, and we wrote our article on Why Not Art, and we got all our important information by interviewing many people.
Hello, my name is Sam, and I wrote an article about dogs on Crescent Beach. And to make a good article, you need to do hard work and try rest.
Hi, my name is Kaylin, and I did an article on our forts in Petite, and I think that Petite's really lucky because no other schools really get to do this.
Hi, I'm Alex, and me and my best friend Jessica, we did ours on McCarthy's towing.
On tow trucks.
On tow trucks, actually. It was really fun. Thank you.